I have my West Bend bread machine, and we're not going to be using yeast today. We're going to be using the bake function, and we're going to start by putting in the liquid ingredients to help it to mix better. So we're making a pumpkin spice bread, which is so delicious. This is going to be a nice, dense, very pumpkin-y type bread. So I have 4 eggs that I have just lightly beaten. I'm going to pour that in first. The secret ingredient, which is some sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description section, so you don't have to worry about writing all this down. Pour all that nice yummy sweetness, and it's going to give us a nice dairy flavor. Now a nice can of pumpkin puree. This is not pumpkin pie mix, but pumpkin puree, and some canola oil, some vanilla, now some all-purpose flour, and I like to spread that flour out across the whole pan. As you see that. Now it's sitting on top of all that liquid that we put in there. Now this is pumpkin spice, so we're going to put that in there. Again, I'm going to spread it around evenly as much as possible. Some salt, baking soda and baking powder are going in. And now some sugar. And now I'm going to hit the menu function and go to, and I misspoke before, we're going to go to number 10. Number 10 is the cake function. And then go ahead and hit start. And I'm going to let you see in the window, and you see it start to mix. Now the whole process is going to take 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now I did a review on this West Bend bread maker, I think a little over a year ago. I'll put a link to it in case you want to check that out, in case you're in the market for inexpensive bread machine. And then we'll come back when she's all done. There's the pumpkin spice bread, nice and brown and yummy. I'm going to slice into it and show you how it looks. There she is. I've sliced off a nice hunk, and you can see all that texture in there. It's nice and moist and delicious. And you can have this with your favorite beverage. I like having it with a cup of coffee, but I also like having it with some hot tea. You can have it with some hot chocolate. You can have it with a cold beverage. It's very delicious. Let me show you the slice. Here's a nice big slice. Now I took a bite of it in the corner to taste it. It's really very good. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye bye.